Good morning. Today is Sunday, April 7, 2024, and here are the 10:30 a.m. SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, April 7, 2024. Here are the STL Shore 3 10:30 a.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for April 7, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Sunday, April 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.